looking for a course that related to children. Just to know children, I was thinking of doing a daycare. I had a lot of various things in my mind when I resigned and all that. I came here thinking of that. Actually, somebody in IIM had given me the reference of Shilpi and to start a daycare and all that. I came with a completely different mindset, nothing to do with my child or my childhood or me or anything. But I came here and that first session completely blew my mind away. It was like, I think I made more sense to myself, my feelings, my life, what I have gone through, all the emotional ups and downs. It was such a different perspective. I mean, I don't know how to explain it. It has been mind-blowing. Just every situation I can see it in 10 different ways, and the peace I get with that, there was a time in life, I mean recently it was completely what do you say, strangled, you know. I felt so chained up. I felt so with my own emotions. I don't talk too much about my emotions. I talk about everything else in the world except what I feel about. So coming here, I didn't need to talk to anybody about anything. It was in my mind. I mean, everything made so much sense. The freedom I feel now to just be me, and I think being me makes me a better wife, makes me a better mother, makes me a better daughter in every way possible. That I didn't expect it at all. It's like this side big gift that came along with this course, you know. I'm just absolutely happy about the whole journey. Every class, every session, I've taken away something which I always thought was so important. And every class it was like, oh, this is great. Oh, this one. There's always a concept. There's always a gyan, or there's always, I don't know, some tool that I can work with in life. I think it was amazing. Thank you. I mean, I don't know, for everything, the way you presented. I think the same thing you have said, or all the other facilitators have said. I've heard it in many ways. I've read it in many books. I have faced it. I've experienced it. But it never hit me like it hit me here. It just never took me like that. And that was just amazing. I think the way it was delivered, the journey we went through, the activities that make us come to here, you know, we are here, we are present, we are like always mentally, we are so open when we are here. That doesn't happen in a marriage, doesn't happen with your parents, doesn't happen with your friends. You cannot be that open, you know. You just, it's amazing. I mean, I don't know how to explain it. I've explained as much as I can right now. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.